When laying out your app, you often don't care about the exact dimensions a widget will take, but you do care about the aspect ratio. You want the widget to be this wide, irrespective of the actual dimensions. Or you want it to be that slim, or exactly square. Flutter solves this by providing the aspect ratio widget. You give it an aspect ratio, a child, and, well, that's it. Aspect ratio is the ratio between the width and height of a box. It's often written as a fraction, like 3/2, as in 3 parts of width to 2 parts of height. But let's not kid ourselves. It's really just a double. 3/2 is just 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5. The same thing. But don't worry, Dart is smart enough to do the computation for you during compilation. So it's okay, and more readable, to provide the aspect ratio as a fraction. Aspect ratio's child can be any widget. For example, a colorful container, a picture, a whole widget tree. And one more thing. Make sure you actually let the aspect ratio widget size its child. If you put aspect ratio into something like expanded, then that will be forced by its parent to expand. Tightly fitted widgets like expanded don't give their children a choice. Harsh. If this happens to you, just put something like a line between the expanded and the aspect ratio. A line will be forced by expanded to fill the area, but it will let its child assume its own proportions. Thanks, Align. For more info on aspect ratio and all the other widgets, head on over to flutter.dev.